Hello everybody, welcome to Jury Central online classes for law exams. So today I will be dealing with you the previous year solved question paper of BHU Banaras Hindu University LLM entrance exam conducted in the year 2019. I didn't find the latest paper of 2020. As soon as I get the previous year question paper of 2020, I will upload the answers for you. Before starting this session, I would request all of you to kindly like, share and subscribe the channel to watch more such videos. And today we are going to deal a total number of 120 questions. So without wasting any time, let us start with our first question. Question number 1. The maxim injurious sign damno has been explained in this option number 3 Ashby versus White. Question number 2. The scope of availability of the defense of voluntary non-fit injuria. This option number 3 has been restricted in rescue cases and also by the Unfair Contract Term Act 1977. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. So let us match. This is A3, B5, C2, D1. Let us read. Rylance versus Fletcher is related to strict liability. Donner versus Stevenson, it's related to tort against a manufacturer. Gloucester Grammar School is related to loss caused by competition in business, and Rose versus Ford relates to compensation for pain and suffering. Question number 3. The Supreme Court in which of the following cases held that where pregnancy occurs despite of sterilization operation, compensation can be awarded only if failure of operation is attributable to the negligence of doctor and failure due to natural causes do not provide ground for claiming compensation. This option number 3, State of Punjab versus Shivram. Question number 6. Which of the following requirements form an essential element of the tort of malicious prosecution? This is option number A, C, E, F and G. Let us read. Prosecution of the plaintiff by the defendant, then termination of the case in favor of the plaintiff, then absence of reasonable and probable cause, and F, malice on the part of the defendant, and then damage suffered by the plaintiff. Question number 6. The absolute liability theory was propounded by, it was option number 4, Justice P.N. Bhagwati. Question number 7. Which one of the following is an appropriate statement? This is option number 2. An innocent principal is not liable for the fraud of his agent. Question number 18. Public nuisance, a private right of action lies. This is option number 3. When the injury is particular, direct and substantial. Question number 9. Mental condition of the wrongdoer at the time of wrongdoing is, it is actually not relevant in tortious liability. Option number 3. Question number 10. The propounder of pigeonhole theory is, this option number 1, Salmond. 11. Who among the following is not a naturalist? This is option number 2, Binker Schweck. 12. Author of De Jure Bailey is, this is option number 1, Grotius. Question number 13. International Law Commission was established in, so it was established in option number 4, 1947. Question number 14. Paris Peace Conference leading to establishment of the League of Nations was held in, it was held in the year 1919. 15. The advisory jurisdiction of the International Court of Justice is in double level 2, so is in double level 2, option number 3, states. Question number 16. The non-permanent members of the Security Council are elected for option number 3, 2 years. 17. Which of the following is not a specialized agency of the United Nations? This is option number 3, World Trade Organization. 18. United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea entered into force in, this option number 1, 1994. Question number 19. Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relation entered into force in, option number 3, 1964. Question number 20. Theories of coordination is supported by, this option number 3, Ancelotti. Question number 21. Confederation is, so it is actually option number 1, Association of Plurality of Sovereign States. Question number 22. Which of the following statement is correct? This is question number 1. Constitution of India came into force on 26th of January 1950. Question number 23. Conception of secularism in India lies in, option number 1, absence of state sponsored or state favored religion. Question number 24. Equality clause under Article 14 of the Constitution mainly intends, this is option number 1, reasonable classification. So all these questions are based upon my personal knowledge and research which I have done for you. Question number 25. The Constitution 103rd Amendment Act 2019 relates to. It is option number 4 all of 3. Question number 15, 16 and 29. Question number 26. Following was held unconstitutional in the Justice Puttaswamy case. This is option number 4. Sharing of data with private entities. Then question number 27. I am not answering question number 27 because it is actually wrong one. Here 3 and 4 option are repeated twice, and this is why the question is wrong. Question number 28. Indian Young Lawyers Association is known for. Option number 2, Ayyappa Temple. Question number 3. With test and test of identity is related to. It's related to option number 1, basic feature doctrine. Question number 30. Which of the following is not mentioned in Schedule 8? So English is not mentioned under Schedule 8. Question number 31. Following is not law within Article 13 of the Constitution. This is option number 3, constitutional amendment. Question number 32. Reservation of seat under Article 15 clause 4 or 16 clause 4 of the Constitution is an example of. So the example of option number 4, preferential representation. Question number 33. Following fundamental right is not guaranteed exclusively to the citizen. This is option number 2, religion. Question number 34. Right to establish and administer educational institution is protected under the Constitution to minorities on the basis of language or religion. Question number 35. While proclamation of emergency is in operation, the duration of the state assembly be extended. This is option number 1, for a period not exceeding 1 year at a time. Question number 36. NMCG stands for, so it stands for National Mission for Clean Ganga. Question number 37. Rio Plus 20 conference is known as. So this is also known as UN Conference on Sustainable Development. Question number 38. A case by name Arjun Gopal before the Supreme Court was in the limelight because option number 2, Supreme Court passed guidelines pertaining to crackers. Question number 39. Parliament resorted to residual legislative power in making the following law. So actually I have not chosen any answer because I have few confusions regarding the question, so kindly ignore it, and if you have the answer of this question, kindly comment the same in the comment section below. Question number 40. What amendment in the pollution control laws has provided strength to the pollution control board? This is option number 2, power to initiate prosecution. Question number 41. Which of the following statement is not correct? This is option number 2. Chief Wildlife Warden may permit any person to hunt Schedule 1 wild animals subject to conditions. Question number 42. Which of the following cases the Supreme Court on its observation is oleum gas leak on inclusion of private corporation into definition of the state observed what was stated was earlier was essentially omitted. This is option number 2. So in this case, in reference to this case, the Supreme Court has observed Union Carbide Corporation case. Question number 3. Article 48 is no more a show cause in the Constitution because it is option number 3, it provides only guidance. Question number 44. Ratlam municipality case is an important case. This option number 1, to activate the municipal authorities to perform duty. Question number 45. Silent Valley case pertains to, so it pertains to option number 4, a people's movement against power project in Western Ghat. Question number 46. Any person aggrieved by an order of the appellate authority under section 31 of the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 may file an appeal to. This option number 2, state government. Question number 47. The state government may declare the adjacent areas to national park and sanctuary after having consultation with local communities as. Option number 2, conservation reserve. 48. In which case the Supreme Court of India has issued directions to Gram Panchayat and other local authorities for protection of water bodies. This is option number 2, Jagpal versus State of Punjab. Question number 49. The National Green Tribunal has not been conferred the appellate jurisdiction against orders directions under. This option number 3, Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Question number 50. What can be delegated under section 23 of Environment Protection Act 1986? This is option number 4, power to issue directions under section 5. So let me tell you, so for every correct marks there 3 marks will be awarded and every wrong question 1 mark will be deducted. Question number 51. A stated that he was in lane where he heard the alarm and sound of gunfire. When he reached near the door of his house, his niece told him that B had shot her aunt. Which one of the following is correct? So A statement is not relevant under the Indian Evidence Act as it is hearsay, option number 2. Question number 52. A and B, two sisters, went in the forest to pluck berries when A was killed. B made the statement to her mother that she killed A. After a month, B also died. B's statement to her mother is, so in this case, it is not admissible. Question number 53. A client says to B, an attorney, I wish to obtain possession of property by the use of a forged deed on which I request you to sue. Which one of the following is correct? The correct option, option number 2. B will be allowed to disclose this communication. Question number 54. A is accused of receiving stolen goods knowing them to be stolen. He offers to prove that he refused to sell them below their value. Which one of the following is correct? The correct option is option number 3. A may prove these statements as explanatory of conduct influenced by facts in issue. Question number 55. Identification parrot can be held by this option number 2, police only. Question number 56. Proof as to verification of digital signature is, this is given under section 73 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872. Question number 57. Provisions for impeaching credit of witness is provided under this option number 2, section 125 of the Indian Evidence Act. Match list 1 with list to select the correct answer using the code scheme and below. So let us match. This is A3, B4, C1, D2. So let us read. Burden of proof as to a particular fact. This is section 103. Evidence as to document unmeaning in reference to existing fact. This is option number 495. When witness to be compelled to answer. This is option number 1, section 147, and refreshing memory is given under section 159. Question number 59. Marriage among Mohammedans is not sacrament but purely a civil contract. Who said so? So this has been said by option number 4, Justice Mahmood. Question number 60. Out of the following, which statement is correct? This is option number 4. The Sunni Muslims of India either belongs to Shafi'i school of law or Maliki school of law. Question number 61. Muslim law recognizes, this is option number 1, only legitimacy. Question number 62. Under which school of law where a waqif makes a provision for payment of his debt or for his own maintenance out of his income of the property which he dedicates as waqf? If waqif makes such provision, the waqf will be void under option number 1, under Hanafi law and Ishna Ashari law. Question number 63. When a gift hiba is made and subject matter of the gift is duly transferred to the possession of the donee, in such a case his revocation is possible only option number 4, by the intervention of the court and by the consent of the donee. 64. Out of which of the following case the Supreme Court held that the widow is not entitled to priority over the husband's other unsecured debt? So this is actual option number 1, Kapoor Chand versus Kudir Nisa. Option number 65. Iman Bandi versus Mustadi is a leading case of this option number 1, guardianship. Question number 66. In which of the following case it was held that a claim for maintenance under section 20 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 can be made by an illegitimate child born out of an adulterous relation? This is option number 4, Kalla Mastri versus Kannaimal. 67. In which of the following cases it was held that in case of persons belonging to notified tribes, since the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 will not apply, and if there is no tribal custom prohibiting a second marriage, it would be permissible and would not attract the penal provision under section 494 of the Indian Penal Code. This has been held in the case of Suraj Mani Stella Kajur versus Durga Charan Hansda. Question number 68. After passing of the decree for judicial separation, if either the wife or the husband dies intestate, then the property of deceased husband or wife may devolve. Question number 69. In which of the following case it was held that the provision of Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956 and the Guardian and Wards Act 1890 are complementary? In case of repugnancy, the provision of Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956 would apply. The correct option is option number 3, it's Kusa Paride versus Vaishnav. Question number 70. Which of the following word means unobstructed heritage? It is known as Apratibandh Daya, option number 1. Question number 71. Marriage is the dash 10 sacraments enjoined by the Hindu religion for regeneration of men. So this is actually the last of the 10 sacraments. Question number 72. In which case the Supreme Court has observed that period of 6 to 18 months under section 13B clause 2 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 for divorce by mutual consent can be waived off? This is option number 2, Amardeep Singh versus Harvind Singh. Question number 70. The Personal Laws Amendment Bill 2018 was passed by the Lok Sabha to option number 1, to omit leprosy as a ground for divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act 1995. Question number 74. In which case such observation was made by the former Chief Justice Deepak Mishra? Adultery might not be the Cause of an unhappy marriage, it could be the result of an unhappy marriage. This has been shown in option number 1, Josephson versus Union of India. Question number 75. In which case did the Supreme Court decide that maintenance order under Domestic Violence Act cannot be substituted by maintenance under section 125 of CRPC? This option number 1, Prakash Babula Duggi versus State of Maharashtra. Question number 76. Draft penal code prepared by the Law Commission 1834 was revised by a committee consisting of option number 2, Bethune and Beacock. Question number 77. The total number of chapters in the Indian Penal Code are only 23. Question number 78. A group of students was making noise in lecture theatre. The principal of the college orders his security officer X to open fire on students. X, in conformity with the order, open fire in which one student was killed. X can successfully take the defense of option number 2, superior order. Question number 79. In which of the following offence the right of private defense under the Indian Penal Code is not available? The correct option is all of this: cheating, criminal breach of trust, mischief, receiving stolen property. Question number 80. The defense of compulsion by threat cannot be taken in. So it cannot be taken in option number D, offence against state punishable with life imprisonment. So I have actually this question is not totally right, because cannot be taken only in option number T, but no option is there as such. So this is why I am taking this question as wrong. Question number 81. The word force has been defined in the Indian Penal Code with reference to option number 1, property. The 82. The offence which was added in the Indian Penal Code in the year 1913 is option number 2, criminal conspiracy. Question number 83. The containing offences under the Indian Penal Code are these only option of C and D, abduction and kidnapping. Question number 84. In the cases of euthanasia, the accused may deduce the culpability from murder to culpable homicide on the ground of option number 3, consent. Question number 85. The offence which was originally introduced in section 113 of the Draft Penal Code 1837 but was dropped from the Indian Penal Code 1860. This option number 4. This was actually sedition, later it was added. Question number 86. To constitute the offence of robbery by extortion, which of the following elements are essential? This option number C, the fear of instant death or instant wrongful restraint or instant hurt. Question number, this option number C. You can also take as option number B also, the fear of instant death or instant hurt. The correct option would be actually must be then and there. The correct option is option number 1, B, C and D. 87. The provision for bail after the conviction is given in section option number 1, 389 CRPC. 88. The provision for anticipatory bail was introduced in the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 on the recommendation of option number 3, 41st Law Commission report. Question number 89. A preliminary inquiry may be made by the police officer in charge of a police station before lodging the first information report in the case of option number A, B and D, medical negligence, matrimonial disputes and D, corruption. Question number 90. The Sessions Court may take the cognizance directly in case of option number 1, sedition. Question number 91. At present, which of the following section is not a part of the Indian Contract Act 1872? This option number 2, section 76. Section 76 has been moved to Sales of Goods Act. Question number 92. Fact of Krell versus Henry Attracts. This is option number 3, section 56 of the Indian Contract Act, which deals with doctrine of frustration. Question number 93. Match list with listers. Select the correct options using the codes given below. The correct option is A3, B1, C4, D2. Voidable contract is given under option 2, section 2I. Void agreement is given under section 2G. Contract is given under section 2H. And void contract has been given under section 2, this is 2I. Question number 94. A owes to B rupees 10,000, A pays to B rupees 3,000 and B accepts it in satisfaction of whole claim on A. Here one option number 1, whole debt is discharged. Question number 95. Select the correct statement using the codes below. So the correct option, the option A, B, C and D all are correct. Let us read. The communication of a proposal is complete when it comes to the knowledge of the proposer to whom it is made. Every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration of each other is a contract. C. Acceptance of a proposal in ignorance of the death of the proposer converts the proposal into a promise. This is option number A, B and C. D is wrong. The correct option is option number 2, not 1. Sorry about the mistake. Question number 96. Tender of performance of contract has been provided under which of the following sections of the Indian Contract Act? This is option number 4, section 37. Question number 97. The obligation to restore advantage in a void agreement is provided under this option number 4 section 65 of the Indian Contract Act. Question number 98. Which of the following is not correctly matched? This is public policy Feldhaus versus Bindley. This is not correct. Question number 99. A promise to pay a debt barred by the law of limitation has been made enforceable under which section of the Indian Contract Act? This is option number 4 section 25. 100. Damages allowed under section 73 of the Indian Contract Act is 72. What option number 2 compensatory damages? Question number 101. The defense of non-est factum is available to the contracting party who has committed mistake as to the nature of contract. 102. No one should be allowed to enrich himself unjustly at the cost of other. This basis relating to the principle of quasi-contract was propounded in which of the following cases? Is option number 2 Moses versus McFarlane. Question number 103. Which one of the following sections of the Indian Contract Act adopts the duty similar to that of Bailey? This option number 2 section 71. For question number 104, in a contract of guarantee there is implied contract between the option number 3 surety and principal letter. Question number 105, the mirror image rule relates to which one of the following? Is option number 3 acceptance. 106, match the following, so you have to match A2, B3, C4, D1. A2, Salman says jurisprudence is the science of first principle of civil law. John Austin says jurisprudence is philosophy of positive law. 3. Holland says jurisprudence is the formal science of positive law. 4. Cicero says jurisprudence is a philosophical aspect of knowledge of law. Question number 107, who condemned natural law as silt nonsense? This option number 4 Bentham. Question number 3, who suggested that jurisprudence should not be compared with geology, it is to be compared with geology? So according to my personal research, I think option number 3 Buckland would be, but I am not actually sure. So if you have the answer, kindly comment in the comment section below. Question number 109, law was divided into 3 types of lex seletis, lex naturae and lex vulgus by. So it has been divided by option number 2 Cicero. 110, the key to a law properly so called lies in option number 2 is sovereign. Question number 111, the realist school of jurisprudence is also known as option number B and C, objective method, and C, skeptic method. Question number 112, to cancel law means the knowledge of 3 grand norm. Question number 113, who is the proponent of monastic theory of law? Again Kelsen. 114, according to Austin, negative mark of sovereignty means, so it means option number 1, the determinate human superior is not in the habit of obedience to a like superior. This is the negative mark of sovereignty given by Austin. Question number 115, according to Hofield, the jural correlative of power is, so jural correlative of power is option number 3 liability. Question number 3, the supporter of bracket theory of legal personality is option number 2 Ehring. Question number 117, which of the following is not true? So the correct option is option number 2, possession is possible even without the subject matter. 118, A and B were husband and wife. They were living together in a house owned by the wife of B. When both of them died, Z found huge wealth hidden in the corner of the house. There was no evidence to the fact who had earned that wealth. The wealth shall be deemed to be in the possession of. So the correct option is option number, option number 4, the finder Z. Question number 119, which of the following is not true? The correct option is B and C. Judicial precedence is generally applicable in parties or to their successors, and C, judicial precedent is binding on subordinate court. Wait a second. The correct option would be B and D, sorry, not 3, B and D. Judicial precedent is generally applicable to parties or their successor, and option number, option number 2 actually, judicial precedent is applicable as legal principle, and option number D, judicial precedent is applicable when it is incorporated in legislation. Question number 120, legal theory is linked at one end with philosophy and at the other end with political theory. This statement is option number 1 W. Friedman. So this is the end of the session. So the answers are actually based upon my personal research. I may be wrong in some questions. So if you have the correct options, if you think I have given you correct answers for wrong answers for few questions, then kindly comment in the comment section what shall be the correct option of the questions. And also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to the channel. There are more videos that are coming up. And with this note, I am signing off. Have a great day.